Okay, hey tubers, here's a quick video for you. If the power windows on your car or truck are just not going up and down the way you want, they're slow or sticky, and in my case they're actually, the rubber gets sucked down with the glass, that's an easy way to burn out your motor. My solution to that, a real simple fix: wax. Get whatever wax you're using to wax your car and wax the windows, inside and out. And it will make your glass go up and down so nice and smooth. A little wax on the glass doesn't hurt anything, costs you next to nothing if you already do it on your car, and I guarantee you will see a major improvement. I don't care who you are, what kind of car you drive, new, old, this will make an improvement in how the glass goes up and down. And then just polish it off. I'm not going to waste your time with showing you how well the glass goes up and down. You've got the idea. And maybe I should show you on the other side. It all depends on, I guess, how long I want to make this video. There's no reason to have that dirty edge at the top of your glass, other than somebody was just too lazy to roll it down a little bit and clean it off. Here we go. And that's perfect. That'll go up and down smooth as butter. Before I did this window clean, I rinsed the truck off. And in the 5 minutes it took me to wash 3 windows, look how much pollen has fallen on the truck. That's crazy. I mean, really, parts of the truck are still wet. But just that fast it's been recoated. Wow.